everyone, welcome back to 爱米类厨房 Emily's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook teriyaki chicken. This is my family favorite dinner. Teriyaki sauce is the balance between the sweetness and saltiness in the sauce itself, and if you can get the proportion right, it will be much tastier than any other teriyaki sauce that you buy in the store, guaranteed. You can use any types of chicken, but I would recommend you use the chicken thigh or chicken drumstick, skin on. By the way, there is no crispy teriyaki chicken because it's not supposed to be crispy. Right, let's have a look at the ingredients today.
First, debone chicken drumstick. You can also buy chicken thigh fillet from the butcher. That will save you some time. Then in a bowl, whisk together all the ingredients except water and mix them well. Add a tablespoon of oil to the large non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Make sure you use a non-stick pan because you don't want the skin stick to the pan. When the pan is heated, add chicken with skin facing down and saute until the skin becomes golden brown. Then add the pre-mixed teriyaki sauce and let it simmer for 5 minutes with lid closed. Do not forget our ginger as well. Then we flip to the other side and simmer for another 5 minutes approximately over medium heat, again with lid closed. Depends on the pan and the heat that you use, you may need to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. Continue to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce thickens and flip the chicken pieces over to coat with the sauce. When it is done, turn off the heat and remove it to a plate. If you are unsure if the chicken is cooked, use a thermometer to help. Now we can start plating. Cut the chicken into small pieces and place it on the rice. Look at the chicken. It looks juicy and it is so tender. Now we can place it on our rice. Drizzle with the teriyaki sauce and we are done.
Hi guys, our teriyaki chicken is now ready. I can't wait to try it. The sweet and the savory are so well balanced. I hope you liked today's cooking. If you do, as usual, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss the next episode. Easy and delicious Asian cooking. Bye for now.